Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to withdraw money from TikTok to your bank account. So let's get started. So it is very easy to do. So just go and open your TikTok. Okay. Go to your profile at here and you have to sign in into your profile. Okay. So when you will just sign in, then you have to see for your account section. Okay, for example, if you see on your wallet, there will be showing your money. So you have to click there, click on your withdrawal points or the money option, and then you can just add your bank account detail or the bank card detail, and you have to go next, and your money will be withdrawal out. So this is how to do that, and this is how to withdraw your money from a TikTok to bank account. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching.